Hello guys, what's up and welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a video that I'm just way too late on filming. I asked you guys over in the community section like what challenge video you want me to see, and like the top one was between wet makeup brushes and kids makeup. So kids makeup it is. I literally have quite a few different sets of kids makeup. What the hell? And oh my god, a secret compartment just shot out. I didn't even know this was there. I'm really excited to be filming this video. I really want to try really hard to do a good makeup look with the video. The only thing I don't have is like a kid's mascara or lashes, but I mean, I think I have like literally everything else, even concealer. Yeah, I bought most of this makeup off Amazon. Just a little tea, the reason I'm so late on filming this video. I mean, I could have filmed it before, definitely, because this challenge is like a year old and I'm just now getting to it. And everyone on the internet did this challenge but me, is because I tried to do this challenge when it was popular and I ordered the makeup off Amazon, and whenever I started filming the video, all the makeup I ordered was pretend kids makeup, so the makeup wasn't even real. That's how fake it was, and I was literally like, now I am actually going to be filming it, and I made sure the makeup was real. So yeah, that's what we're going to be doing today, and I'm really excited about it. I think this could be interesting, you know, and I'm not trying to sell you on any kids makeup here. Don't try this at home. Anyways, without further ado, we're going to sing the subscribe song, and then we're going to jump right into the video. So let's go ahead and sing along, honey. Be sure and subscribe to my channel before you leave. Subscribe. Now, let's go ahead and jump right into the video. Alright, so let's unbox some of this stuff together on camera to see what all we actually got to work with. Oh, this just fell right out. Alrighty then. I did peek at it in order to make sure it was real, that it didn't get played again by Amazon. Alright, opening her up. We have, oh my gosh, look at all the stuff we have. We have concealer, brow wax, body glitter, oh my god, lipsticks, blushes. Girl, we about to get turned. Also got this little makeup set. It says, do you want to be trendy on there? Kind of creepy. And we have blush and glitter. And then whenever I was talking to you guys earlier, a secret compartment shot out that I didn't know anything about. There she is. Oh, baby, there's another secret compartment, honey. And then, I don't know if we'll even have to use this, but I have it on standby in case we have to grab for it. You know, that is what we're going to do. So let's get started. And apparently I'm going to have to use the concealer as my foundation because I couldn't find any foundation. Bad if I just take this out because it's just going to be easier, right? This makeup look might take me a little while to do. I also don't have any face primer, but that's okay. You know, kids don't wear face primer, so I don't wear face primer. Oh my god, this is going to be bad. I just dug my finger in it and like nothing but like grease and a little bit of color came off, so okay, let's do this. Oh my gosh, like nothing's coming off. Oh, we're already off to a bad start. It's gonna be a little bit more challenging than I thought, but that's okay. Literally just dug a hunk of it out. Yeah, that's better. Okay, we got a little something. Yeah, because I mean, you gotta have some makeup on. So yeah, there we go. You just gotta like get in there, you know? Oh yeah, we got color. We got slight coverage. Can't wait for my face to fully break out after I do this. But you know, it's all for YouTube. It's all for you guys. It's just a day in the life. I mean, I'm not gonna say we got great coverage or anything here. But we got something. We got foundation on, and that's what counts. Ugh, it feels heavy and sticky. That's great. Okay, moving on. I'm excited. Woo! We're going to dig out a little bit of both of these and mix them for concealer. I'm just going to take a Artis brush to blend this out because it's so oh, yeah. That's thick. Yeah. Look at it cover, though. Okay, well, that concealer actually provided highlighting and coverage, so I'm shooketh. Go get your kids' makeup today. It appears that I don't have any powder that is skin-like, not even an eyeshadow. I feel like the makeup's so good. Oh god, it's crazy. I feel like the makeup is so great that you really don't even need to set it. So here we have brow products. I think this is a brow wax, and then these, oops, are brow colors. I'm actually gonna go in with this shade. Here I go. I mean, it's a thick brow, but it's not like the worst. And we're gonna carve it out to clean it up a little bit so the brow looks pretty good. It's pretty good. I actually ended up mixing the darkest color, because this turned out like transparent, but the darkest color with the wax, and I just like made my brow pomade and it looks pretty good. Just gonna dip into this shade and carve out these brows. Done. I'm excited. Like, this is a real challenge. What's making it a challenge, I feel like, is me actually trying to like do a good look with it. I think my brows look really good. I have quite the selection of eyeshadow, so I want to do a really colorful look. There's like 19 pinks in this thing. If you see, there's like the same color pink. It's a ripoff, guys. It's a ripoff. All right, I'm gonna dip into one of the 3 yellows. They're all pretty much the same. Just not gonna give this a good review. You know, if they're gonna put the same color in the palette, how can I give it a good review? I mean, let me just say this. The yellow eyeshadow is pigmented, okay? I've dipped in other yellow eyeshadows from other brands that don't have this much pigment, so I'm a little shooketh. I'm like, okay, what lab are we using? On all serious note, it's very pigmented, so that's something to think about, you know? This kid makeup is really coming for these makeup brands out here. I dip into this lovely, oh, look at that nail. Girl! That orange color. You're so perfect. Honey, what? The pigment? I'm shook. Why does it have so much good pigment? Why is it actually a pretty color? Mixed together this pretty shimmer purple that's actually like really pretty, and then this neon purple. Gonna blend that in that outer corner, and if you notice, every time I put on a color, I try to keep it a little bit lower. I know this isn't a makeup tutorial, so I'm not trying to be too explanatory, because you guys aren't at home with your children's makeup playing along, or are you? Did you steal your little girl's makeup? That would be funny. I'm just kind of doing it, and we're gonna see like what immaculate look I can create with this. So I ain't mad at the makeup. Okay, the purple doesn't have much pigment. It's more of a pink, but I'm okay with that because I'm so impressed with the other colors. How could I be mad? And I'm gonna take the neon pink. I'm just gonna work that on the outer corner and kind of bring it in a little bit. Going back to our concealer right here. Oh yeah, I am. I'm gonna like try to add some glitter. We're really doing this, guys. I told you. This is not a joke to me. I have this second palette here that I showed you guys, and I really want to add some of this pretty pink, light pink purpley glitter. I mean, look at that glitter. So I'm just gonna add it with my finger. Oh yeah. So if you guys don't know, I hate these things. Like, I hate them, and I don't think makeup brands should be putting them in the packaging because they're for little kids. In this case, of course they should. But I'm gonna use it today, even though I hate it. Does it pain me to use it? Yeah, you know, it does. But it's all for YouTube, and it's actually working way better than my finger, and I actually need this at this moment. Never did I see this day coming, but yeah. So what it looks like, these glitters though. It's just like clear Vaseline or grease with a little bit of glitter sprinkled on top of the grease. But that's okay. I mean, this eye look is not that bad. As I don't have any eyeliner, I'm just gonna take the black shade and kind of line my lash line a little bit, so that way whenever I put on some mascara and lashes, it looks decent. Why is this black eyeshadow so pigmented? I will tell you, I have like the grease on. What? I have the grease on my eye from the glitter, like that Vaseline grease stuff. So it's making the black like super intense on top of it. All right, I'm gonna add on a little bit of mascara since I don't have a little kid mascara. I'm sure that would be, I guess, kind of dangerous. I'm not a mom. I do have a lot of nieces though, and I would probably give them my mascara if they asked for it. During Christmas time, my niece that is 3, I was putting on my makeup for Christmas morning, and she came in the room and was sitting by me, and then she wanted makeup, so I would just like take the makeup brush with nothing on it and put it on her cheek, and she'd be like, "Oh, it looks so good." It's like, yes, girl. It was so cute though. It was just a moment, you know.
Oh, you look so beautiful with your kitty makeup. Are those kitty lashes? I didn't think so.
So I just put on some little lashes in Layla. These are really pretty lashes, but let me just update you on what's happening. The grease from the glitter is creasing, and it's also making the lash glue not stick. Now I'm going to add a little bit of makeup on the under eye area. I'm gonna go in with our orange shade and then go to the pink and purple shade as well. So I'm just using an E36. Oh shoot, my lash. We do have major creasing right there, but let's just look past it and pretend that it's not. I'm gonna take some of that black shade. I'm just gonna add it really close to the lash line. And now I'm gonna add some mascara to those lower lashes. I'm using the Lash Sensational in case anyone's wondering. To highlight my face, I'm gonna try out this white. Oh yeah, this is like a shimmery white shade. A little bit too white, but we're gonna highlight with it anyways. Ooh, little highlight, not bad. Huh. I feel like my eyeshadow is kind of morphing all into one. Kind of like add a little more highlighter. I'm gonna add this pink shade for a little bit of blush. I don't have a bronzer, and I don't have a brown eyeshadow. I'll use a little bit of that eyebrow product just for shits and giggles, you know. Ooh. I have full regrets right now because I didn't set the makeup and it was super greasy, so it's just sticking. I have a full regret moment right now. Forehead is shiny. Actually got a little kitty lip liner, so ow, it's sharp. This lash, y'all, it won't stay put. Okay, so I'm gonna put on the lipstick, the little kid lipstick that goes with it. This is my final look, guys. What do you think? I mean, it's not that bad. It could be worse. I literally did this with kids' makeup besides the lashes. I think I look pretty good. I'm impressed, okay? I just wanna say that I like the makeup look, and do I plan on wearing it out? Maybe. I'm just kidding. No. It looks good. And this makeup was cheap AF as well on Amazon. So, what do you guys think? Sound off in the comment section. Let me know what you think of our beautiful, creasy, lash lifting makeup. I would kill for some setting powder right now, but you know, we're not gonna do that. But yeah, I like it. I love you guys. Thank you so much for being here and watching. Girl. I believe Nikki Tutorials, by the way, is the one that invented this whole thing, so she's the queen of challenges, honestly. Like, the queen of creating challenges, and I love her challenge videos because she always slays them to, like, the next capacity, so, yeah. Anyway, shout out to you, Nikki, and thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure and subscribe to my channel before you leave for more content like this, okay? And, yeah, I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!